Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to disable the low disk space message you might be getting on Windows. So this notification or warning pop-up will typically read that you're running very low on disk space. To free up space on this drive, they'd recommend deleting old or unnecessary files. So while this is typically done for the benefit of the user, this can definitely get annoying, especially if you have different drives or disks that maybe you store files on and it's not necessarily applicable for you, or you just really don't care and you just don't want to see the pop-up. This tutorial will show you how to disable that message. Please keep in mind it will not fix an underlying issue you have. All this is going to do is disable that pop-up from appearing. So with that disclaimer out of the way, we're going to just jump right into it. So we're going to start by left clicking on the start button, and this should open up the start menu. And you want to type regedit, regedit. Best match at the top, depending on what version of Windows you're running, it should all say regedit. It should come back with a result for that. You want to right click on it, and then in the new menu you want to left click on run as administrator. Select yes on the user account control window that appears. So now that we are in the registry editor, what we're going to do is navigate to H key current user on the left side. So I'm actually going to expand this view a little bit so we can see better when we get further down. So again, H key current user, click on the little arrow next to it on the left side. And then you want to left click on the little arrow next to software. And then you want to go down and select the arrow next to Microsoft. Scroll down this list until you get to Windows. Again, click the little arrow. Then the little arrow next to current version. Scroll down again until you get to policies. You actually want to left click on that folder. And then finally left click on the Explorer folder here. On the right side, you want to right click underneath name in some blank space in this column. And then left click on new. And then left click on dword 32-bit value and left click in that. Now for the name, you want to set it to no low disk space checks. And keep in mind, I'm spelling disk with a K, not a C. I know it really depends depending on where you are and what your nomenclature is, but we're going to spell with a K here. And then I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. And once you're doing that, you want to double click on this dword value. And for value data, you want to change the value data to a 1. And then once you're done typing 1, hit OK. Click on OK. And then at this point, you can close out of the registry editor. I recommend restarting your computer, and hopefully the error message will not be displayed anymore. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.